Now, the next step in the process is just another one of Facebook's security features that if you click the link that will take you to this page in Facebook that basically lists all of the business integrations that you've given approval to manage your business pages on your behalf. So all of the apps you've granted permission will be listed here. If you've got a lot of them, or you can't find Manychat, you can use the search field. Basically, need to go and find the view and edit part for Manychat, and then this is where we tell Facebook exactly what permissions they have or don't have, and exactly which pages they have access to. Now, this is a really important point around when it comes to access to pages, is that you need to have administrator access to your Facebook page. To be able to manage and send messages on the page's behalf and to grant access, you need administrator. Editor, unfortunately, is not enough. So make sure that you're either administrator or owner of the page. Now, when we go to view and edit this section, we basically need to toggle everything on to be able to give access to Manychat to be able to do what it does, to be able to do things like manage ads, which can set up ads in a system, and then also manage your pages and send conversations on your behalf. When you toggle this on, it will drop down with all of the pages that you have administrator or above access on. If you obviously manage more than one page, you need to scroll through the list and just tick exactly which one of those you give access to. You need to do that for each of the different sections as you come down, send messages, show a list of pages that you manage and access the conversations, and if you want you can go make sure that it's private. It's totally up to you, and also turn on notifications as well if you'd like to. Once you've done with that, just hit the save button and then we'll jump into the next step.